Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off or power off or shut down your iPhone 15 Plus and how we can do this. So we have three different ways. The first one is either you have to press the volume up and the power button together. You have to just press and hold both the buttons, or you can volume down and you have to press the power button together. That is also a possible way to turn it off. So let me demonstrate you that. So you have to press the volume up button. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn off or power off or shut down your iPhone 15 Plus. So let me show you that. So you can try doing this in three different ways. The first one, you can use any of these buttons on the volume up or the volume down along with the power button, which means you have to press the volume up and you have to press the power button together in order to do this. Or if you wanted to press the volume down, that is also possible. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button together. That is also possible. So I'll demonstrate you that. So you can just go over here. I'm going to press the volume up and the power button together like this. When I do like this, you can see you'll be having this option. From here, you get to slide to power off. So your iPhone will be completely turned off. So this is the first step you can try out. Next one is all about you can just give the passcode, and we have two more steps. Another one is all about you have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down to the general, and from here you have to scroll it down all the way down. Now there is an option called shutdown. You have to tap on it, and right now you can slide to power off and you can completely turn off your iPhone. That is also a possible way where you can do this, and you can give the passcode over here. And right now, after trying these two steps, the next one is a very interesting one. What you need to do is you have to give commands to the Siri. So just give the commands to the Siri and ask the Siri to power off your iPhone. So I'm just going to give the command. So just follow the same way if you want to turn it off. Hey Siri, please turn off my iPhone. So it will be asking you this question. So I'm going to power off. And right now, as you can see, the iPhone is completely turned off. So these are the three different ways. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.